Hello and welcome to our Learning to Cook Pizza journey. Today I'm cooking with the Ooni Pro and just getting all my logs ready for the cook. So I'm going to put some charcoal in there and the kindling, get this all cleaned up because it's all been outside and there's all muck all over it. Get it all cleaned up, get the fire going and start to cook the pizza. There you are, fire's going nicely. If you'd like to see how I light the Ooni Pro, I'll put the video in the link below. Warming up nicely. The door of the Pro is on. Don't leave your can by your hot oven either. Put it somewhere safe. Let's go make the pizza. Okay, that's been about 10 to 15 minutes since I've been making my pizza, and whoa, it looks so nice. I'm just going to put my logs on. Ow. I'm going to put 2 of these small logs on. By the time I finish making my pizza, this should be ready. Let's check the temperature at the front. It's going to shoot up in temperature now. Right, so the temperature is high. Let me just give you a glimpse in there. Whoa. And I thought I was, oh my gosh, it's coming out from the front there. Because this is a big oven, it's over 550 at the back. But see at the front, it's like 245. And just there-ish, it's 445. And if I can put my pizza just like there, it won't burn. Better, let's see it. Let's put it in. And then I'm going to put the door on. This is always a very clunky, dirty, smelly moment because my pizza door is very stinky, and yeah, so I got my different peel. I don't know if you've seen any of my Coda videos or my rock box. I don't use the same peel in those videos because they're too small. It's too small. This needs a bigger peel. This oven needs a much bigger peel. As you can see, it's full on flames today. And it's not the actual base I'm worried about, it's the crust. That flame is coming so far forward. Even this far forward, it's getting that crust, look. So it's a full-on flame there. Let me just see how this is going, because it's very difficult to tell when... Yeah, I think that's done. Just maybe a little bit more on the top end there. I think that's... Ooh, that's done. Try that bit. A black ashy base. I think what happened with this cook, I've used different logs, different batch of logs, and they really did have a lot of black soot coming off them. So what happened was the flames were so fierce that even though the base was 550 at the back, even more so, I had to keep the pizza to the front because the flames were so strong, and you can't see the colour of the base, which is a lovely golden colour because of all the soot from the stone from my logs. I'm going to try that bit as well. The flavours are lovely on this pizza, the steak and the red onion with the mozzarella, and I put some steak flavouring on there as well, and so nice. The sooty base, very nice flavours together. So this was a challenging cook today. It's very nice pizza though. Very tasty, very nice. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.